Hello everyone, welcome to Minutes with SG. Today, the secret recipe of the new flavorful food is going to be revealed. In this video, we're going to show you how to cook the braised pork belly with Khmer rice noodles. The most exciting thing about this food is we're choosing the roasted pork belly and turn it into the braised pork belly. So now, before cooking, let's go and look for the roasted pig. Yay! Finally, we are here already at Orisay Market, Phnom Penh, Cambodia, a place which is famous for roasted pig. As you can see, there are many roasted pig vendors here along the street. Here, we're buying 1 kilogram of roasted pork belly, which is best for our cooking. We are cutting it into big chunky pieces so it won't be easily broken down while being cooked again. To make it more fragrant and flavorful, we used these ingredients including dried mushrooms, red onions, garlic, star anise, red chili peppers, and galangal. Here, we are dry roasting all of the ingredients together to extract natural flavors and enhance the effect of our dish. We're doing it on medium-low heat to make sure that it's not overcooked. After the ingredients are 50% cooked, we took them out. Then, we're adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Now the cooking oil is well heated, so we put dry roasted ingredients into the pot. After 1 minute, we're adding in the roasted pork belly and stir frying it. While stir frying, we add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Then we leave it around for 5 minutes. Next, we add in 3 tablespoons of brown sauce or hoisin sauce. We're converting the roasted pork belly, which is braised pork belly, because we want it best matched with the Khmer rice. Here, we can experience a new taste of how the roasted pig is cooked in another way. Now, while waiting for the food to be cooked, let's prepare vegetables for Khmer noodles. Khmer noodle or Khmer rice noodle is one of the most popular dishes in Cambodia. Typically, it is served with its traditional soup, som lo proher. However, to come up with new experiences, today we're eating the rice noodles with our own braised pork belly. There are many types of vegetables that we can eat with the noodle. And here, we're choosing 3 types of vegetables, including water lily, cabbage, and mint. We're also adding bread as part of the dish. Now, the food is completely done. Please join me and let's eat!